Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best recurve bow for hunting you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best recurve bow for hunting on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which recurve bow for hunting are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Samick Sage Recurve Bow. Samick products have been well proven by archery champions all over the world, and our goal with the Sage was to introduce something enticing, something that will draw you into the world of archery and last a lifetime. Samick's risers are made of imported maple wood, resulting in lightweight, highly durable bows with a comfortable ergonomic grip. Threaded brass bushings are pre-installed for various attachments and upgrades, such as a brass plunger, stabilizer, sight, quiver, and bow fishing reel. Pull the string with your right hand while holding the bow with your left. Left-handed, use your right hand to hold the bow and your left hand to pull the string. Our second best recurve bow for hunting is Glurak Black Hunter Recurve Bow. The 15-inch riser on this Black Hunter recurve bow is made up of action wood layers for stability and a very natural feel. Its shelf is specially designed for minimal arrow contact, which is common in high-end bows. The bow's limbs also have a bamboo core with a stunning matte black fiberglass finish. They appear to be absolutely stunning. They are also extremely light. The draw weight is neatly indicated on the inner side of the lower limb. The bow is made of bamboo laminates and high elastic fiberglass limbs, and all joints are held together with strong screws. Curved edges and a finely finished wood handle are also included to keep you safe. Another feature worth mentioning about this bow is its ease of assembly and disassembly. To make things easier, use a stringer tool when assembling and disassembling this hunting bow. This bow is very easy to store once it has been disassembled. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is KAINOKAI Hunting Recurve Archery Bow. KAINOKAI is a professional seller of outdoor goods. All bows are made by craftsmen and have the characteristics of being powerful, fast, and lasting a long time. It is appropriate for hunting, shooting practice, physical activity, entertainment, and decoration collection. The bow arm is wrapped in leather and made of transparent epoxy. It is more delicate and long-lasting. The bow handle is made of locust wood that has been polished and painted to reduce wear and tear on the bowstring and to provide a waterproof effect outside. Available in weights ranging from 25 to 55 pounds, a 40-pound bow can achieve a hunting arrow range of 150 meters or more, and a carbon arrow can reach 200 meters, depending on the pulling force of each individual. For the first time, suggest 30 to 40 pounds for men and 25 pounds for women. In general, newcomers should use a bow weighing less than 40 pounds so that we can get used to the bow and see rapid advancements in shooting technology. It will be difficult to control if the pounds are too heavy. It is also recommended that more training be done to improve arm strength. Fourth recommendation in our side is TIDEWE Recurve Bow. TIDEWE's recurve bow features a reliable wooden core and strong fiberglass and wooden limbs. In addition, we provide a powerful 16 strands Doclone fabric bow string. This way you can focus more on successfully hitting your targets. The riser is designed with rounded edges and a fine finished handle, making it very comfortable to hold. This comfort will allow you to have the best experience shooting multiple arrows or for extending amounts of time. This design is also appealing to the eye, making it unique in its own ways. This recurve bow is very friendly to put together. While following the easy-to-read instructions, setup can take less than 5 minutes. Our bow offers pre-installed brass bushings for various attachments and upgrades such as stabilizers, sight, quiver, and bow fishing reels. TIDEWE's bow provides multiple accessories, including an arrow rest, finger guard, target, bow stringer, 6 pieces carbon arrows with removable field tips, and more. Created with removable limbs, this bow can also be stored in various ways for easy storage. Last in our top 5 best recurve bow for hunting list is AFarchery Turkish Recurve Bow. The AFarchery Turkish bow shoots arrows quickly, quietly, and smoothly. Whether you're a muscular guy or not, shooting at 28 inches feels very similar to shooting at 28 inches with this bow. Because of its sharp curves and slippery lamination, it's difficult to string like a regular horse bow. If you have someone to assist you in stringing it. It is laminated with fiberglass and bamboo. Bow's handle and both of the bow tips are made of maple wood. We wrap the handle with cow leather, which can bring the comfortable feeling for user. All items are handmade of this bow. The classic Turkish bow style as well as greatly optimized its performance. It has wonderful visual with exquisite wood grain texture on bow's limbs, shorter body and lighter weight. Unique design keeps it a very fast arrow speed and coming with smooth draw feeling. It is suitable for horse archery or daily archery activity.